This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Going to quickly round up the functionality of this. This is exactly the project you have to work, you have to create. We showed you if you want to use the Agile ALM from the scratch, there is no problem, you can use because it's open source as of now. You don't need to pay, it means, which is good. You can learn it, you should, right? You should, because the testing tool is very expensive. And it is a SaaS-based solution. SaaS-based means on your browser, you just type it and you use it. You don't need to install anything. You don't need to worry about the updating anything. It's all done by the provider, who is us. So we create the organization. Go next. And then we create a project. We have done this. Go next. And then we come to the manual testing plans. So please, you need to follow these steps if you want to focus on the manual testing, if you want to actually the practice on these tools from the scratch and become a master of these tools. You should become a master of these tools after this 40 minutes, and you will be the best in the manual testing after this session.